In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7432, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that Allah, the Exalted, loves the servant who possesses the following characteristics. The first characteristic is piety. This means they strive to fulfill their duties towards Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and being patient with destiny, according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and fulfills their duties towards people, such as striving in this world, in order to obtain their necessities, and the necessities of their dependents, without waste, excessiveness, and extravagant. The next characteristic is being independent of the creation. This means that a Muslim should fully utilize the means they have been provided by Allah, the Exalted, such as their physical strength, in order to fulfill their duties. They should not behave lazily and seek things from people, as this habit leads to dependence on them and a lost in trust in Allah, the Exalted. One should firmly believe, no matter what happens, what is destined to be their provision was allocated to them over 50,000 years before the creation of the heavens and the earth, which is advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6748, and nothing can alter this in the slightest. A Muslim should focus on their efforts and trust that Allah, the Exalted, will grant them what is best for them. The final characteristic mentioned is being anonymous. This means a Muslim should not strive in worldly or religious matters in order to obtain fame, as this can lead to many sins, such as showing off, which completely cancels one's reward. It is why a narration found in Jami Tirmizi, number 2376, warns that seeking fame is more destructive on one's religion than two wolves let loose on a herd of sheep. Instead, a Muslim should strive to fulfill their duties, and if they become famous, maintain sincerity to Allah, the Exalted, without altering their obedience to Him, in order to please people, as this leads to destruction in both worlds.